There is 3 phases of making a talking head video: pre-production, production, and post-production. Pre-production is all about coming up with the idea, outlining the points you want to cover, and writing the script. There are 3 ways of coming up with an idea: spontaneous, viral recreates, and viral templates. Spontaneous are the ideas that sparks from nowhere. It could be in the middle of the day or while having a shower. These ideas are so interesting and counterintuitive that you just can't refuse making a video about. While there is a huge probability of virality, there is a massive risk of not having any performance at all. There comes the next 2 ways. Viral recreates is about finding and recreating videos that has performed 100 times more than any other videos on a small channel. You can use vidIQ Chrome extension to find this. Not sponsored. There are 2 criteria. 1. The score here should be 100 or at least 80 plus. 2. The subscribers count must be less than 10,000. Find as many videos as possible within your category, note them down, pick the ones that resonates with you the most, and recreate them by sharing your unique insights. Viral templates is about finding videos the exact way as viral recreates, but instead of using those ideas, using the template of the title. Here are a couple of examples to help you understand. Once you have the idea, outline your thoughts and expand on them later. Call it your script, and that's it. Production is about setting up your studio for a recording and speaking on camera. Audio matters the most. Have a microphone to capture your voice. Lighting is the second most important thing. I have my Digitech softbox for this. It is a cheap one, but it gets the job done. Camera, use whatever you have. Background, I prefer having a plain background so there is no details you have to be concerned about unless you're a filmmaker. Speaking on camera, have a smile, maintain an eye contact with your camera, and articulate your words clearly. And that's it. Post-production is about editing your videos, coming up with your title, designing your thumbnail, and scheduling your content. Do proper cuts, add zoom in, zoom outs, put slides, add a music and text highlights. Use the following prompts to help you come up with your title and thumbnail headline. Use Canva for designing your thumbnail and YouTube Creator Studio for scheduling your content. That's it. See you tomorrow.